given. Now I have taken one beaker with some water. Okay, in the water I am just pouring or adding hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid na add chestam. Okay, just hydrochloric acid add chestam. Okay, by adding the hydrochloric acid, it forms what solution? Hydrochloric acid solution. Okay, so now we are using the indicators. Now again we are going to use the indicator. What indicator we have to use? We have pH paper. I am using first. So it is Excel. What color we have taken? Red color. Red color not. So that's why it is a HCl. It is an acid. So before that, whenever we insert this, what color we have taken? Yeah. So what it is? What the solution? Sodium hydroxide. So what is the nature of the solution? Base. So what is the nature of this solution? Acid. Okay. In the acid, when I keep to this pH paper, it turns to what color? Red color. So when I kept to the pH paper in the sodium hydroxide solution, it turns to what color? Black color. So that's why the control that is the base and this is acid. So now I am doing the titration experiment or neutralization experiment. So how to do the neutralization experiment? By mixing the acid and base. So how to know the neutralization reaction takes place? So for that purpose, I am adding the red aqueous solution to the base. So this is the red aqueous solution I have taken and adding the one drop to the base. So what color will be obtained? What color will be obtained? What color, sir? Red color. Red color is changes to one color, blue color. Whether it changes or not, we will see. Blue color. Okay. Stop there. Now, 5 ml of sodium hydroxide solution. I am adding red aqueous. What color? Blue color. So what solution I have taken in this test tube?
Sodium hydroxide solution.
So sodium hydroxide solution turns to what color?
Blue color.
Red litmus changes to blue
color.
So whenever this red litmus adding to the basic solution, sodium hydroxide solution, again this is taken in the beaker. Just I am adding this one. Okay. So what color you have taken? This one. Okay. Still the sodium hydroxide solution I have taken in the test tube and adding one drop of red litmus. So it comes to what color? Blue color. Now I am adding the
Hydrochloric acid solution.
Okay, now I will do this one.
Wow.
Color changes to what color? Red color. So why the red color is obtained? Because red litmus is a red color. Okay, and so the reaction takes place. What reaction takes place here? Neutralization reaction takes place. And it turns to what color?
Red color.
If you take the phenolphthalein, so if you add the phenolphthalein to the sodium hydroxide, so it turns to pink color, and then add the HCl to the test tube, that is solution, and the color will be disappear. the color will be desaturated. So the phenolphthalein is not available in this lab. So I just use what this red litmus solution, a red litmus indicator I use, and adding the red litmus indicator to the base, it turns to blue first, and then add the HCl to the this test tube or the NaOH solution, and neutralization takes place and changes to red color. Understood? Because red litmus color will be red color. That's why we got red color. So whenever we obtain the red color, neutralization reaction takes place, and some heat will be produced. If you touch it, you can experience the it will be hot. It will be hot. So this is the neutralization reaction we have to do. So why we use this burette? By using if you take the this beaker, which is the sodium hydroxide taken in the beaker, and just add this blue red litmus. The red litmus changes to what color? Blue color. Okay. And by titrating this, if you take the HCl in this. Today I am going to explain about the neutralization reaction. Okay. Now I have taken this HCl solution in the burette and sodium hydroxide solution taken in the beaker, and adding the red litmus paper. Or red litmus paper is not available. Just I am using the red litmus solution. Okay, red litmus solution I used, and adding the 2 drops of red litmus solution. This sodium hydroxide solution changes to or turns to blue color. So now I am doing the titration experiment. Just adding the what HCl hydrochloric acid to the this solution. So what color it will be changes, or what going on here, what the how the neutralization reaction takes place, we can observe now. Okay, so I just opening the stop cock of the burette. So then what happens? It will be mixed with the HCl. It mixed with the hydrochloric acid mixed with the sodium hydroxide, and whether it changes to red color or not, you will see. So stop. So why this color not changes? Why it must be changes now? Why this color not changes? Because I have taken the sodium hydroxide pellets more in the water. So the concentration or the power of the sodium hydroxide pellets is more, and the power or the concentration of the HCl is very less. That's why it is not changes to red color. So if you take it one another this already we have done this experiment. Already we have taken the sodium hydroxide solution and adding that red litmus to this, and it changes to blue color. So whenever we add that little bit of I will take this solution. So little bit of I have taken. So whether it changes to red color or not, we will test. So changes to red color or not?
Yes.
So always we have to do the experiment with a little bit of quantity. This is a precaution we have to observe. Okay. Once I am doing the experiment is failed, but we have to do why it is not, why it is it was failed, because the concentration of the sodium hydroxide pellets is more. That's why we have to take little quantity or small quantity of any solution, and we will do the experiment. Understood? Then it will be success. So that's why I just you observe that it is failed, it is pass. It is proved that the neutralization reaction takes place in between sodium hydroxide and dilute HCl. Understood? Because red color, why it obtained? Because it is red color litmus. Same color will be obtained. If you take the phenolphthalein indicator, the phenolphthalein indicator in sodium hydroxide solution, it will changes to or turns to pink color. whenever you add HCl to the sodium hydroxide solution, by adding the drop by drop, by using the burette, it will be changes to colorless solution, because the HCl reacts with the sodium hydroxide. HCl is reacts with the sodium hydroxide. The phenolphthalein indicator pink color will be disappeared due to the neutralization reaction. Understood? So, in the neutralization reaction, the acid reacts with the base and gives rise to salt and water. And the acidic property and the basic property will be gone. They loses the acidic property and basic property in the neutralization reaction. Okay? Thanks to all. Did you understand the experiment?
Yes.
Okay. Chemicals are used in this experiment, tell me.
Sodium hydroxide solution, hydrochloric acid solution.
Okay, tell me the Vaishnavi. So what's the experiment actually? What's the name of the experiment?
Neutralization reaction.
Okay, what chemicals we need for this experiment? What chemicals we taken?
Sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid.
Where is sodium hydroxide? Show me. Okay, this is a sodium hydroxide. So where is HCl? HCl means what?
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid. So anything else? We use any indicator in this? Indicator.
Yes.
What indicator we use?
Red
Red litmus, where it is? Paper or any liquid? Liquid. Where is liquid? So this is red litmus liquid we have used. And also, what papers we use? PS paper. Why these two colors are? Why the two colors are changed? Tell me these two colors. You observe the two colors. The PS paper turns to pink, blue color, black color, and the red color. The red color we get for what solution? It's acid or base?
Acid.
And black color for what?
Base.
Base. Okay, this is over. Very good. You got good knowledge from doing this experiment. Okay,